Hey guys, on today's video we are going to be unboxing the Shotbox. I am so happy that I got this product because it is going to make taking pictures of my products very simple and easy. So that's the AC adapter. These are the rolls that will go as the backdrop. If you can see right there, that white backdrop, that's what these are. It came with 2 of those. Alright, so this is all of the contents. This is the instruction box. Reversible floor panel, so you have white and then you have black. So that goes on the bottom. Then it comes with a bag to put it all in. This is for the glare shields, position indents, meet with exposed screw heads just under the light switch, so I'm not sure what that means. Alright, so the directions say lift up from the 2 back holes, black back holes, and then guide panel into position and back. First thing first, for tools, tips, project management, and more, download Shotbox app at Shotbox Me. Alright, so it says to pull this up like so, and it just fell into place. I'm guessing that this is how it goes. Insert reversible floor panel. So when I stood it up, it looked like this, and let me flip you guys around. So it looked like this. Then the next step on the directions. So we did this one, and now we are here, and it says to insert reversible floor panel. And this is our reversible floor panel. So you have black on one side and white on the other side. I think we're gonna start off with white. So let me put that in and I will be back. Okay, so I am sliding this in. I think I have it in right. Looks really like a crate. All right, so we did that. Said insert reversible panel. Then it says rotate legs onto front placement. So rotate legs. I am a little confused about that. Hold on, let me look. Okay, so I figured it out. The legs is actually this piece right here. I'm like, what does it mean, legs? But then when I look, I saw this. So we are actually going to move that. I guess it goes underneath. There's a little piece underneath here that I'm guessing that goes into. So I'm going to try and stick that in there, but I can't record and do it at the same time. So I shall return. Okay, so now it's telling me to put the AC adapter into the power port, but I thought it was so cool. It has a USB power port for you to charge up your phone in case it's dying. Then that's the main source power port. And then over here, it has, I'm not sure what that is, but I'm pretty sure we'll figure it out eventually. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that up. Okay, so the next thing on the instructions is to twist the on-off dimmer switch. So I just turned it on, and now it's on, and it goes really, that is super bright, or you can make it really dim. So I'm guessing that the lights are up here. Yep, they are. So do you see the lights? All right, so we have that on, and then it says, step 7 is to position a smart device or DSLR camera on top of the camera lens positioning. So I'm gonna put you guys up there where it says to put you. All right, so you guys are looking inside of the box. Let's do this. Let's put something that we're going to take a picture of inside of the box and see what happens. So let's put that there. Now this is with my regular phone. It's not with my Canon camera, but you can see. So that's when it's bright. And this is dimmer. And that's no light at all. Okay, so I haven't finished setting it up all the way. Still got some work to do. But I did notice this switch. Let me turn this down so you guys can see. But it's this switch right there. Turn that down so that you can see it a little bit better. Too much light. That switch right there, it does something to this light. Like, it makes it, depending on which way I turn it. Turn this up. So I had it here. It seemed brighter, and then I don't know what it toggles the light, so I'm not sure what that is all about. I gotta read up on it. So to place the backdrops in here, we have to unroll it and hook it into these hooks. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I did hook the white backdrop up. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And let's take a picture using just my regular iPhone and see what it looks like. Okay, so remember earlier I was talking about this button and I wasn't sure what it was for? I just figured it out. So when it's in the middle position, both of the lights up here are on. When you turn it to one side versus the other, then the other light is off. See? Then it also came with these panels, and it is a anti-glare panel. So when you put the panel up, it kind of minimizes some of the light being shown If you can see, you see the shadow over here, and I took that panel down, but there's no shadow on this side, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get my Canon camera out and I'm gonna start taking pictures, and I will show you guys the results in a little bit. As you can see, I have my Canon camera set up. So using the Shotbox is a lot easier because I don't have to have the ring light out. I also don't have to have my other studio lights out. I just rely on this box, which is a lot easier. You can position your camera in either of these slots. They also sell a adjustment that hangs from here where you can get a side angle as well. But I didn't get that. I may go back and get it, but just not right now. So I am happy and pleased with it because all I have to do is basically set up this box to take all of my photos. So I did buy some other backdrops for this, and I think I am going to try those now. Okay, so I did buy these backdrops from Shotbox to put inside of the Shotbox. So we are going to open them up and see what they are like. They're interchangeable to fit any style. It also says that it has a protective coated surface, which is good, so that way if something spills on it, I can take it off easily. So let's open this up. So it did come in this protective film, which I will probably keep them in as I store them. I really like this. It was a good investment. I think it was $129. And then these were sold separately. They did not come with the actual Shotbox. Hold on. So I want to say it was like $30 for these, but this is what it looks like. There is a slight coating up here, but I do think if something liquid gets on it, it's going to damage it, especially oil. This one is more of a gradient. Then you have the marble, another wood looking one. And this one is the tile. It honestly looks like real tile, but it's not. It's not even 3D. I don't know why in my head I thought it was going to be 3D. But they're just whimsical pieces of paper. But I will say you do get a lot in here. There's 12 of them in here. So what I'm gonna do is take some and put them in here and take pictures. So let's do that now. So basically what I did is I took it and I just slid it into place. And then I'm gonna take this one and somehow put it in the back. Let's slide that up. So now we have this look going on. We're gonna turn the lights on here. I think I have the anti-reflectors on. So that's how it looks. We're gonna put a t-shirt in here and take a picture of it and see what happens. So I have my Emma design t-shirt in here, which is a birthday template. And I'm going to take some pictures of this with my professional camera and my... So for this shot, which was actually really cool because you could see where the light was coming in at certain points. How I created that shot was I actually turned the lights off to the outer box, or maybe it is on just a tad. It is on. So it is on just a tad bit, or no, they're off. So I did turn the lights off to the Shotbox, and then I have my ring light on. So the light from that is peeking through the holes up here, and it gave me that cool look. So I'm going to take some more pictures and play around. So we have some new flavored scrubs that we haven't released yet. So I'm going to try and capture a picture of these in the Shotbox. Alright, let's take this picture and see what happens. So it is a lot easier for me to take pictures of my press-on nails in the Shotbox than what it was with me trying to do it without it. I'm going to show you some pictures of it. So I really do think overall this was a good buy because it is really working out well. I wish they had one that was bigger than this so that I could do pictures of my bigger items as well. These are the pictures that I was able to capture from using the Shotbox. Overall, I give the Shotbox a 10 out of 10. It was easy to set up. It's easy to take down. Super simple. It made life a lot easier when it comes to taking product pictures. So if you are looking to buy something to help you take your product pictures, I would definitely recommend this. It's worth the money. There's nothing really else left to say. But oh, the other thing is I did use my DSLR camera to take these pictures, but if you don't have one of those types of cameras, a regular cell phone camera would work with this product, with the Shotbox. It is designed to be able to use either or. So that is my opinion on this product. No, I did not get paid for this review. I just wanted to help you guys out. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share my channel with other people. Look forward to seeing you the next time.